Hi, I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety, here to talk to you about our emergency backpack. This emergency backpack is perfect for classrooms, offices, houses of worship, and many other locations. The items in our emergency backpack are the type of items you would find very helpful in situations where you might have to hastily evacuate your building. Being a backpack, it's easy to grab and go, or it can be useful if you're forced to shelter in place. It can even be helpful to take along on a school field trip. Most states, Michigan to name one, provide a prescriptive outline for school districts' emergency operation plans. These plans define the contents of a classroom emergency go bag. Our emergency bag contains all of these items and then some. The items in this bag address concerns regarding medical, safety, utility, sanitation and hygiene, and student accountability issues, along with building evacuation plans. Let's dive in and take a look. Inside this flap, you'll find a contents placement card, and there's room for any additional personal items you might want to place in here. This zipper pocket contains medical supplies. We provide our basic first aid kit, scissors, and a cold pack. We strongly recommend you add an optional 360 Life Safety mini trauma aid kit. In this upper pocket is a length of paracord and a door wedge for securing doors. The rear pocket holds a clipboard for you to attach student rosters, action plans, floor plans, or anything else you find useful. In this main compartment, we have divided the items into 4 bags. This safety support bag holds a high-vis vest, whistle, flashlight, light stick, and universal phone charger. This utility bag holds a multi-tool, hammer, safety glasses, work gloves, zip ties, and duct tape. The classroom support bag holds an additional clipboard with a pad of paper, pens, a marker, as well as hard candy. And finally, the Sanitary and Hygiene Bag holds hand sanitizer, hand wipes, tissues, nitrile gloves, urine bags, trash bags, and these Mylar blankets. Many people don't realize it, but it can take a significant amount of time to clear a building. You may be in lockdown for hours. These Mylar blankets can be used with duct tape to craft a privacy screen for anyone who might have to use the disposable urine bags. To top it off, we provide these Tamper Tags. Don't worry, they're easily opened. To let you know at a glance, you can be confident the contents are intact. Also, the serial number tag provides asset accountability for those purchasing multiple bags for your school, business, or house of worship. And one last point, as an option, here, there is ample room to custom brand your backpack for your organization with your logo. This emergency backpack has many uses, be it evacuation, a lockdown, or a field trip. Prepare for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can learn more about this product and all of our products at www.360lifesafety.com.